Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll explain how to clear history from Mozilla Firefox so you can remove browsing records and keep your activity private. Step 1. Open Mozilla Firefox and click the menu button with 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This opens the main menu where browser options are available. Step 2. Click History from the menu. This section shows all your recent browsing activity. Step 3. Select Clear Recent History. A new window will open with options to delete history. Step 4. Choose the time range you want to clear, such as last hour, today, or everything. This helps you control how much history is removed. Step 5. Make sure browsing and download history is checked, then click Clear. Firefox will immediately clear the selected history. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful Firefox tutorials.